Hello everybody and welcome to another exciting day video. In enVision Math, we are going to do topic 2, lesson 6, example 4, and we are going to interpret the discriminant. So in example 3, we saw the discriminant. We looked at what the discriminant can do, and if you forgot, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. This is what's in that radicand. This is what's in the square root. So what's happening in the square root, so b squared minus 4ac, can determine the type of root we're going to have. So if this is greater than 0, we're going to have two real roots. If this is equal to 0, we're going to have one real root. And if this is, the discriminant is less than 0, we're going to have two complex roots. All right, so just a quick reminder of what those are, because we're going to be using this idea in example 4. So in example 4, Rachel is about to serve and tosses a tennis, or it's a weird sentence. Rachel is about to serve and tosses a tennis ball straight up into the air. The height h of the ball in meters at time t in seconds is given by h of t equals negative 5t squared plus 5t plus 2. Will the ball reach the height of 4 meters? All right, so let's look at this. I'm going to see if the ball reaches the height of 4 meters. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take h of t and I'm going to plug in 4 there. Then I'm going to have equals negative 5t squared plus 5t plus 2. To solve this, we need to have our function equal to 0. So it's equal to 4 right now, so I'm going to subtract the 4 from each side. Sounded a little valley girl when I said that. Plus 5t minus 2. I'm going to take the discriminant. I'm going to use a discriminant really quickly to see if I can get actual real roots. Because if I'm having complex roots, we're not ever going to reach the 4 meters. So I'm going to do b squared, which is 25, minus 4 times a, which is negative 5, times negative 2. Okay, so now I'm going to look at this. This is 25 minus 20 times 2, which is going to be 40, and negative times a negative times a negative, so that's minus 40. B squared is actually less or greater than, B squared is actually less than 40, and so this is going to be a negative number, is basically what I'm trying to get at there. So 25 minus 40, I just want to make sure I am correct here, we have negative 15. And remember, if I have the square root, this is going to be in that square root. And if I have a square root, that means we're dealing with an imaginary number. And if we're dealing with an imaginary number, then we will never actually hit 4 meters. So using the discriminant, we found that no, the ball will never hit 4 meters. So what was the question asking? Will the ball reach the height of 4 meters? The ball will not meet the height. Reach the height. Choose proper words here. The height of 4 meters. All right, so let's go back to the book. They set it equal to each other. They found the A, B's, and C's. They used the discriminant. They found that negative 15 is less than 0. So the equation h equals 4 does not have a real root solution. Therefore, the ball does not reach 4 meters. All right, guys, so that's how you can use the discriminant. You could use it quickly to find if an answer is really true. Again, it's a quick tool so that you're not sitting there going through all the math and then find out at the end that you actually don't have real root solutions. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and we will see you in the next video.